Remember, my friends, you are the boss. You are in charge. Not these app companies, not these billionaires, not these trillionaires. None of these app companies are in charge of you. You are in charge of your own life, right? 4 videos uploaded from my podcast on both channels. Now we've waited 5 minutes. And if you've been watching my last few videos that I've posted, I'm teaching you my whole technique, right? Even though it shows $25, don't worry. Something big is going to pop. Okay, look at that. Okay. Now, when the surge starts popping up right here, you see this? This is good news. Look at where I'm at. I'm not going to drive to it. I'm going to keep going towards the Ontario airport. But because I've had the app off, because I've moved, and I'm just disrupting the algorithm, now we're going to turn it back on, and now we're going to leave, right? Now, when we start leaving, it might give us something. It might not give us something, right? But this is how I drive. I'm literally going to go here. Look, now, if you've been watching my last 4 videos, there was no surge, right? Surge, right? So it's better to be over here, right? Because there's an airport, people are traveling, there's hotels, there's car rentals. I don't know what else is over there. So right now I'm going to leave. I'm going to turn the app on. And my other philosophy is this: just leave. Every time you leave and you go away, the app panics and app goes, oh my God, Uncle Ahmed is leaving. We better give him the $20 ride or $30 ride. Because if I'm not making money, the billionaires are not making money. And if they're not making money, I'm not making money. But guess what? I don't have a stock. I don't have a Fortune 500 company. And I'm not a CEO. There's nothing they can do about it, right? My goal is what? YouTube, podcasting, blogging, being an influencer, teaching other people, bringing up the energy, bringing up the vibration of the planet, right? Not driving Uber. Uber is just a means to an end right now, my friends. Now I'm getting closer to Ontario Airport, and this is good news. The goal was to be here by 7 o'clock, and you'll notice something. There's traffic, right? I'm slowing down. I'm able to talk to you. Traffic is your friend, right? And in one of my previous videos, I explained in traffic, drivers get stuck, and which means the algorithm doesn't have enough movement, right? And if it doesn't have enough movement, drivers aren't able to go and get passengers, so it creates more opportunities for us. Remember, traffic is very good for Uber drivers. And this is basically what the queue looks like. There's a couple of people there ahead of me. I would say less than 13, maximum 15 people are there, right? And you'll notice I had the app off. When you get to the airport, turn it off. There's no need to have it on right now. Put it back in timeout. Okay, now I'm very close to Ontario Airport, and it's starting to pop up again with $5 here, $8 here. And, you know, it's doing the game. Like right now, there's no match button, there's no accept button, there's no already viewed. So if I click on this, you know, I'll get the ride. There you go. See, now it's showing it with an accept button. This is the example that I wanted to give you. Just don't get fooled by this stuff. Just keep saying no. But what we're looking for here is exactly what's popping up. There's $5 here, $8 here, $10 here. Clean out the container, clean out the graveyard. Be close to the airport, get in queue, and then you'll be ready, hopefully, to get a cherry picked. It's heating up. And it's always good right around the airport if, you know, as long as the numbers are going up, it's good. It still hasn't hit my minimum of $15-20 yet. I'm telling you, it's getting hotter. $11. We want the container to empty. Look at, here's another one. It knows that I'm not gonna go for less than $15. When 2 pop up like this, that's really good. That means it's really busy right now. All right, we are here. And unfortunately, by the time I got here, Uber X and Uber Comfort, a lot more people got here. So me pausing and stopping, making videos, uploading, going to the bathroom has cost me a little bit because I wanted to be here by 7 o'clock. But beggars can't be choosers, right? My point is very simple. I'm showing you what I'm doing. It doesn't mean this is the right way of driving Uber. This is just my way of planning, positioning, and now being patient. That's it. Maybe we get lucky, maybe we don't. But I think one advantage I have is 1 out of 5 Uber XL. And so I don't have to worry about Uber X. I don't have to worry about comfort right now. But you guys will know. This video will end the moment I nail somebody, at least for 15, 20, 25 bucks. And here's another thing. When you are at the airport, like now, because I'm in the airport queue, most likely the rides that you get are going to be coming from the airport. Unless it's really busy, you're not going to get pulled off the airport. It's like a whole different area it has. So my timing was not bad, right? Because Uber X has moved down. So fingers crossed, my friends. And in the background, I'm going to start working on my thumbnails. And if you're interested, excuse me, if you're interested in learning about the content creation, let me know. I don't show it all the time because I don't want to bore people that are not interested. Because my primary focus on rideXserve YouTube channel is to give you strategies, tips, and tricks about the rideshare industry and Uber. 90% of my content is that. 10% is spirituality and real-time content creation, because those are my other 2 channels, okay? But if on this channel you want to learn more about YouTube, you want to learn more about creating content, you want to learn more about spirituality, let me know. I'll mix it up and I'll do like a 50-50 ratio or 60-40 ratio. This is the first one that popped up. It's outside the airport, which is good news, right? Which means it's busy. It's very busy. And I keep showing you these little videos here and there so you guys can get an idea about, like, it's not easy to cherry pick. It takes time. Okay, you just saw comfort drop. So the timing was perfect to getting to Ontario Airport, right? Now here's the other thing. Now if I go out and I look at the map, now my ideal situation is I want to end up this way, especially on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I want to go that way. But today, because it's Wednesday and I live over here, right, in this direction, I'm okay going in any direction. As long as I get 20 bucks or roughly, you know, plus or minus 20, I'll go this way, I'll go this way. I don't mind, because since I live closer to this side, ideally, you know, if I make my money or I make 100 bucks or 125, I'll quit and I'll go home, right? And I'll focus on my YouTube channel. I'm not looking to, where's my face? I'm not looking to be a millionaire from driving Uber. I'm just saying, I don't have to go to LA today, but if I get something towards LA, I'll take it. But my number one requirement right now is being at an airport. I got up early in the morning. I think I'm worth at least 20 bucks. Plus or minus, you know, plus or minus a little bit. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I was responding in the background to a couple of people on my WhatsApp group. You guys can kind of see it. I've got about 5 people here that we talk and we bless each other, we motivate each other. And basically, Magic Ride Mike needs help with thumbnails. I'm going to help him with that. Adam wants me to work on a map, which probably is the next video I'm going to start, unless Uber gives me a ride. And then Mark is actually a life insurance and he does investments, and I'm encouraging him to focus on that and make rideshare slow, because he just said 30 minutes logged in both apps, only shitty offers. So his energy's down. I get it. Look, I've only made $25, and people need to understand it's Wednesday. Supply and demand is high. I've been driving for 3 hours, right? But I keep myself motivated and I try to stay positive, right? Because as long as you have a goal, 150 bucks, maybe 125, as long as you hit that, then go home. It's okay. On Wednesdays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, I get lucky sometimes where I make more money if it's a holiday or something weird is going on. But this video is done. I'm gonna upload it because I haven't, I haven't done anything. But look, it's surging, right? There's opportunities. I think there's just too many drivers right now. And when there's too many drivers, it's like we just have to be patient and let's get lucky and pop that cherry. And remember, not all of my videos are gonna show you 30 bucks here, 50 bucks here. I had a $48 ride this morning. Unfortunately, I didn't get it. Had I gotten that, I would have made almost half my money today, especially if I got a tip. And then from Victorville, I could have came back. But sometimes apples don't fall, and it's all good. It's all good, my friends. Stay positive.